Welcome to this second video of the first module of the course on structuring projects for the issuance of plastic credits. At this point, we are going to talk about the procedures document. This document sets out the step-by-step for the generation of credits under the Circular Economy Standard. This document can be found on our website. You can use any browser to type circarbono.com and enter the tab of Other Programs and the Circular Economy Program. This document is found in the regulatory documents, specifically in procedures of the voluntary program on circular economy can be found in its English or Spanish version. To understand the procedure, it is necessary to analyze the project cycle. The first stage for the generation of a project is the formulation and registration of the project. After the project has been formulated and registered on the EcoRegistry platform, it will enter a public comment stage that should last at least 1 month. Then the project enters the validation stage, followed by the verification stage, and finally the project is certified, or credits are generated to enter the market. This is the summary table specific to each stage in the life cycle of a project. Projects can be mainly in 4 stages: formulation, public comment, validation, verification, or certification. When the project starts registration, the first application to be made is the application for registration, which is the responsibility of the project holder or developer. After the project has been registered, the formulation approval stage takes place, and the formulation approval must be done by the standard. After the formulation has been approved, it goes to publication. This publication is also the responsibility of the standard. After the project has been published, it must be in the public comment stage for at least 1 calendar month. At this stage, any interested stakeholder can comment on the project. After the public comment stage has been completed, the project moves to the validation stage. At the validation stage, the project must make a validation record. Then the validation record is signed by the VP. This validation signature is the responsibility of the validation and verification body. At this stage, the validator checks that the project complies with the necessary conditions set out in the protocol. After the project has been reviewed by the VP signs the validation signature and passes to the validation approval. The validation approval is done by the standard. After the project has been validated, it goes to the verification stage, where the developer or owner registers the verification and passes back to the VP, where the VP reviews the verification reports. And if everything is in order, the project passes back to the standard, and the standard certifies the project. It should be noted that the validation and verification process can be a joint process, i.e., validation and verification can be carried out together, mainly for projects that are retroactive. Thank you very much for your attention.